Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in Introduction to the Philosophy of the Human Person, which is all about the methods of philosophy lead to wisdom and truth. This will be the first quarter topic and week 2. This lesson is under the milk-based. For the most essential learning competencies, after going through this lesson, you are expected to: first is to distinguish opinion from the truth. The second one is to realize that the methods of philosophy lead to the wisdom and truth. And the third one is to evaluate truth from the opinions in different situations using the methods of philosophizing. The methods of philosophy will help to learn the process of doing philosophy in a systematic way. On the other hand, philosophizing is to think or express oneself in a philosophical manner. Although philosophy is an organized body of knowledge, the subject matter of philosophy is questions, which have three major characteristics. First, philosophical questions have answer, but the answer remain in dispute. Second, philosophical questions cannot be settled by science, common sense, or faith. Third, philosophical questions are of perennial intellectual interest to human beings. The methodology or method that philosophers use to address philosophical question is critical thinking. Critical thinking is the careful, reflective, rational, and systematic approach to questions of very general interest. Critical thinking means understanding a philosophy and refraining from merely giving claims, but through careful thought. One reasons through arguments. The scientific method also leads to wisdom and the truth because it uses an evidence-based approach to come up with its conclusion. In this method, all truths are supported by facts that can easily be tested or proven, again through experiments, logical reasoning, or observation. An understanding of opinions and facts and the mean to distinguish one from another can further improve our understanding and appreciation of varied views and ideas. For Maboloc and Pasqua in 2008, critical thinking is a lifelong process of self-assessment that further consists of: first, defining, analyzing, and devising solution. Second, arriving at reasonable and informed conclusion. Third, applying understanding and knowledge to new and different problems. And the fourth one is willingness to say, "I don't know." The following are the attributes of a critical thinker. It includes: looks for evidence to support assumption and beliefs, a just opinion, looks for proof, examine the problems, and rejects irrelevant and innocent information.